Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a Java project and adding the ZZing library. This gives you QR encoding primitives. Once done, create a simple main class and declare the text or URL you want to encode. Next, add essential imports and instantiate a QR code writer. Make sure to choose a target image size early, because dimensions affect readability and error correction requirements. This immediate setup gets you into the encoding flow without wasting time on unrelated configuration details. You encode the text with QR code writer, which produces a bit matrix representing black and white modules. This is the core conversion step. While encoding, set hints such as character set UTF-8 and an error correction level appropriate for expected damage. Higher levels add redundancy but increase size. Once the bit matrix exists, iterate pixels to paint a buffered image, mapping true bits to your foreground color and false bits to background. This conversion is why ZZing separates logical QR structure from image rendering. You finalize by writing the buffered image to disk using image I/O. Write with PNG format to preserve sharp edges. PNG avoids compression artifacts. After saving, test scanning on multiple devices to confirm readability and adjust size or error correction as needed. If you embed logos, create quiet zones and increase error correction. One key troubleshooting tip: if scanners fail, make sure the quiet zone and contrast are sufficient. Low contrast or missing margins is the most common failure cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.